to be my passenger. Well, the sun of gray, we gon' shine. Let's bound and parlay.
What is up? It's your girl Glasshouse Maya back with another video. Y'all just rotate with me because I'm sitting in this chair and it's hard to stop moving when I'm in this chair. But yeah, so what I got on today, real comfortable. Your girl is just comfortable, okay? I'm just trying to be as comfortable as I can be today. So when I got up, it was kind of cold. Like I had to let the car thaw out cold. So I just got on this marble hoodie and some black sweatpants with these right here. Boom, y'all see them? Okay, that's it. I'm real comfortable. It feels good. Under here I got on, well, y'all don't need to know what's under my clothes. Girl, be quiet. But yeah, I do have on like shorts underneath these sweatpants. Anyways, welcome back to the vlog. Today I had to go get my kids some snacks. They're having a Christmas party on Wednesday and they have to have snacks to bring. So I told them I was gonna bring some cookies and some cakes and some candy. So that's what I went and got at the store earlier. Other than that, you know, I just been kind of waiting on my Shein package still. Still waiting on my Shein package. It's supposed to be here today. It says it's out for delivery. We gonna see, okay? Because it was supposed to be here yesterday. But now it actually say it's out for delivery. And FedEx, what's going on? I understand. You know what? No complaints here. Just hope it comes today. That's all. I really ain't got no clothes to show y'all today, but what I got on. Okay? That's all I got. What I got on. But yeah, yeah, I probably ain't gonna be doing too much of anything other than going out and trying to stay out of the stores. I will be wrapping presents, I think Wednesday, so I'll record that. Part of my video. I could have did nail content, but I don't know if y'all wanted to see that or not. But these are just it's not a press on because okay, so basically I have the nails, like the tips or whatever you want to call it. This ain't tips, but this is like the full nail, and then I gel polish over it, alright, with the colors I chose, which is these. I rough up the back of them so they can stick really well, and then you kind of buff your nails, your natural nails, so they're not smooth, so that the glue, the nail glue, can stick really well to the back of the nail and your nail, okay? So it makes it last longer. The last pair, when I took them off, I dang near had to pry them off, okay? That's how stuck they were, all right? I have more control over what I want, the shape of the nail as well. And I don't have to pay like a bunch of money. You know, I don't have to pay nothing because I already got this stuff. You know what I'm saying? All I got to do is actually sit down and do it. And so there it is. So I'm just trying different things for my nails. Until my actual nails grow out, then I won't be doing this no more. Because from that last set, when I went to the nail salon, which I wish I never did. Because my nails was like this already. My natural nails was already this shape and this long. Went to the nail salon and I just, this is why I do this myself. Yeah, the gel didn't come off all the way, and it just kind of, he was kind of drilling into my nails, so it kind of thinned out my nails. So now I have to wait for my nails to grow out for them to get back right. So that's why I keep cutting them back short, so that they can grow out faster and get back in shape, so I don't have to keep doing this. And I won't be putting gel on my natural nails either. This is just for now. Like, those is just gonna be natural nails and clear coats, because I don't like soaking my hands in acetone. I don't even think that's safe, you know. I don't like putting my hands under the LED lights. My body isn't under a light, a UV light. I say LED, a UV light, and yeah. Anyways, I don't know. I might come back on here later on tonight with something, but honestly, I probably won't. I probably won't. So you guys, I got my Shein package. I got a notification on my phone that is at my house. So when I get back home, I am going to I'm gonna unbox that package, and that's gonna be it. That's gonna be it. Okay, that's gonna end this video, because I done got me singing in this car. I done got all this other stuff, so that's gonna be it after I unbox. Sorry, I'm on my iPad. Hold on. Okay. Alright, let's get this unboxing packaging, because it's not in a box. It's in a package. Oh, so here we are. My Shein order, and you're probably thinking, well, Maya, I thought you said you wasn't going to order no more stuff because it was on sale. Well, I ordered this back in November. Before I had that thought. Not me dropping stuff. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. This is bigger than I thought it was going to be, bro. I thought this was going to be smaller. I don't know if this going to work. Okay. Let me open this, please. Geek. Real geek. So, this is a silicone mold to make like a little like container or whatever. You gonna see when I make it, but it's just so mainly what this stuff is, like, I know I said it was Shein, and Shein sell more than just clothes, so I bought no clothes. That wasn't what this was about. This was about like products I can make and create. I thought it was gonna be smaller. I don't know about that. And so I got some more of these because I wanted to make, you know, more at the same time. I think I already told y'all that. So I got some more of this kind. I think I got like 4 more. So I got like 5 of them now. So that's that. I also bought. Okay. So what this is like a silicone mat, so that when you pour your epoxy, it doesn't get like everywhere, and it doesn't stick to this really, because it don't stick to silicone. So it's basically just for like easy cleanup. Okay, this is what I've been waiting for. It better not be trash, though. Okay, it's of decency. I'm always picking fuzz off of something. So I ordered just these simple, like, let me show it to y'all. I'm over here trying to unzip it. Just these simple corduroy bags, okay? And I wanted a black one because I was looking that way because I thought my other one was over there. But I always wear like this green corduroy bag. It's not like a crossbody like I'm gonna wear this one. This is actually one of those like waist bags, but I always wear mine like across my body, like a crossbody. Body yaddy yaddy yaddy. So most likely on me it's gonna be worn like this across me. But yeah, about time, bro. Y'all don't know how long this been in my car. I've been wanting this. Like, simple little stuff like this just makes me excited. Like the corduroy and everything. So there it is. It says Fashion Instinct. And then of course I got a green one because I can. And of course it got like some fuzz, dust, whatever. We'll get that off. So it's the same thing, but in like this green. Alright, and the rest of it is like silicone stuff. So this right here was like some inserts for like a notebook, but it ain't gonna work with this size that I got. So these are like bookmark, like where you can make epoxy bookmarks. And then I I got like the front and back to make like a notebook. So that's what these two are. And then this paper goes inside of here. So basically, I would make like an epoxy on the outside, and then it would be your paper to write on in the inside. So that type of notebook. I'm excited to make that. I think that's gonna be cool. It's gonna be cool. Yeah. So I bought like, I didn't buy many of those because I wasn't sure. But enough to make at least 3 of them so far right now and see how I do. But this, I thought this was gonna be a little bit deeper than what it is. This right here. So that's gonna be kind of thin. And then this one is you know, like those trays. It's like a tray, like an oval tray. So my plan was to use this tray and put this on top, but this one is way bigger than what I thought it was gonna be. So I don't know how this is gonna work. We gonna see. I don't even remember buying 2 of them, so it's just another one of these. I don't remember getting 2. And then I bought the silicone. That's it. The silicone cups you pour out of them, and they go up to 100 milliliters. So I got that as well. But remember, I bought these, so it's just easier for me to mix in this and just throw everything away versus trying to let the epoxy. But with this, I can let the epoxy just harden in here, and then like it'll just crumble and crack out of here because this is silicone. But yeah, so that's all of the things that I had ordered from Shein. It's mostly like product stuff that I wanted to get. But anyways, that's gonna do it for this video. Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so that you can be notified when I upload another video. And thank you for watching this video. If I did not just say that, which I think I just did, I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Know you're young, but you're ready. We can bump and grind like R. Kelly. Ain't running game, that ain't my territory. I'm popping bottles of Patron. No, I'm not. I'm really not. Said I was at work, and that's really where I was at first. Now I'm out with her. And she curves, looking at them curves. Baddest woman in the universe. I'm just telling her, I want you to be my passenger. Made a bunch of money, got a lot of cars, got a lot of people that wanna be involved. Ain't had too much to drink, I won't say I'm drunk. Oh, this is my song right here. If they could see me now, this is the sped up version. Y'all gotta listen to the chopped and screwed version. Living my dream, cause it's all I know. Keeping my head up everywhere I go. Thinking about cash, baby, that's for sure. Come on, you got me platinum in the ghetto.
She really did me real wrong. I mean, I did the same thing to her.
You just like me. I can't breathe when you're touching me. When you touch me, I can't breathe when you talk to me. Turn around, let me lick it from your neck down to your navel.
You did. Cause shorty, you look great.
We got me feeling like it's Sunday evening. Sun going down, but ain't nobody leaving. NMC and